How to delete messages on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can delete messages on Messenger. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Now, open the chat session right here. Tap on chats. This will open all of the chats you have started. Now, select one chat. Now, once you open it, just select the chat you want to delete. Now, long press on the chat right here. Long press on it. Now you can see delete option right here. Simply tap it delete. Now just tap and delete again. Now you'll get two options, delete for everyone and delete for you. Now if you choose delete for everyone, it will be deleted for everyone, but if you choose for delete for you only, then it will only be deleted in your chat session. So let me just delete for everyone. Tap and delete for everyone. As you can see, we deleted a message. Now let me just tap and delete for you. That's it. Hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.